All right, so now that we have our shapes and our icons and our text and they're all grouped together, we're going to select all of these objects, and we have a couple options here. We can go up to the Home tab and we can click on Arrange, and then we can go to Align, and then we can align at the top. You can also find this in a lot of other ribbons along the top of the screen, so you can go up to the Graphics tab too, and it's up here. Or you can go to the shape format and it's over here. So this is in a lot of different areas throughout PowerPoint. Whatever is easiest for you, you want to go to. You want to go to Align at the top. And then you also want to distribute these across the width of the screen. So right now, if I unclick this, webcam and lights are a lot closer together than microphone. And what this means is psychologically, we see these two as belonging together and microphone is somehow being separate. But that's not what we want. So to ensure that our audience is not reading into something that we're not intentionally wanting them to, we want to just make sure that this is equal. So we go up to Arrange, we go to Align, and then we go and distribute it horizontally. At this point, that means that the same width between microphone and webcam is also between webcam and lights. And then you want to think about the slide as a whole. So right now this is very close to the top of this title text box and very far away from the bottom. So we want to just move it down. If you notice these now red lines come up, these dotted red lines, that's indicating where they are on the side, and it aligns perfectly with the text above it. So you want to keep it there, and webcam is also in the middle of the screen. So you just want to hold Shift down as you move it so you don't shift it one way or the other. And then we're just going to move it down so it looks like it's kind of more centered. And that is much better than what we had before.